everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, I am Matilda, and today we're tackling a topic that's very close to the hearts of many women dealing with PCOS, hair loss and skin issues. So PCOS can be tough, especially when it affects our hair and skin. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to explore some amazing Naija hair and skincare secrets that can help you manage these issues using locally available ingredients. So if you're dealing with thinning hair, acne, or other skin problems because of PCOS, stick around for some simple natural remedies you can easily incorporate into your routine. But first, let's quickly talk about PCOS. Now, PCOS is a hormonal disorder that affects many women, especially those in their reproductive years. One of the more and most frustrating symptoms of PCOS is its impact on hair loss and skin issues. So excess androgens, which are male hormones like testosterone, are often elevated in women with PCOS. So this can cause thinning hair on the scalp, increase hair growth on the face or body or skin issues like acne or dark spots. So if you're experiencing thinning edges, patches or of hair loss or persistent breakouts, it's not just in your head. PCOS is likely playing a big role. But the good news is we can manage these symptoms with simple natural remedies using ingredients you can find right here in Nigeria. So let's start with hair care. Hair loss can be frustrating, but you can improve your scalp health and hair growth with some traditional Nigerian effective solutions that you can try at home. First is coconut oil and ginger for hair growth. Mix coconut oil with ginger. Now, coconut oil is a great natural moisturizer for your hair, while ginger helps improve circulation to the scalp and stimulates hair growth. So to make this DIY remedy, simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger, mix it with about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then heat it gently for a few minutes. Massage that mixture into your scalp, leave it for about 30 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. Now, this combination can help strengthen your hair follicles, encourage new growth, and fight dandruff. These are all common issues with PCOS-related hair loss. Now, the second option is moringa oil for thinning edges. So for women with thinning edges or bald patches, moringa oil is a game changer. Now, moringa is packed with vitamins and amino acids that nourish and strengthen the hair. So you can apply moringa oil directly to the edges of your hairline, massaging it gently every night. So you can also make a homemade moringa hair mask by mixing moringa powder with olive oil to create a paste. So apply that paste to your scalp and leave it for about 20 minutes before washing it off. Now let's move on to the skincare. So PCOS can cause breakouts, dark spots, and oily skin. Thankfully, we have some amazing local remedies to tackle these skin issues naturally. So the first one will be aloe vera and honey face mask for acne. So aloe vera is one of the best natural remedies for acne and skin irritation. It soothes inflammation, reduces redness, and helps heal scars. So you can mix the aloe vera gel with honey to create a hydrating face mask that also fights acne. Now simply leave that mixture on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. So aloe vera also helps balance your skin's moisture levels, which is especially important if you have oily or dry skin from hormonal imbalance. Another option is turmeric and lemon for dark spots. So another common skin issue with PCOS is dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Now, turmeric is an amazing natural ingredient for brightening the skin and also reducing dark spots. So mix turmeric powder with fresh lemon juice to form a paste. Apply it to the areas where you have dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Then leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes and rinse off. Now, this combination not only helps fade dark spots, but also helps even out your skin tone. Just be careful with turmeric because it can stain. So make sure you rinse it off well and avoid leaving it on for too long so you don't become orange. So now diet tips and lifestyle changes for PCOS. Now we can't talk about managing PCOS without monitoring what you eat. That's your diet. So eating a balanced meal that is rich in whole foods, fiber, and healthy fats can help with hormonal balance. In fact, eating more beans, leafy vegetables, fish, and healthy oils like coconut oil and olive oil can reduce inflammation and improve your skin and hair health. So remember to drink plenty of water too, because hydrating is key for a healthy skin and it helps flush out toxins that could contribute to skin issues like acne. So there you have it, simple and effective Ninja hair and skincare secrets for managing PCOS related hair loss and skin issues. By incorporating these natural remedies into your routine along with a healthy diet, you can help your body manage the effects of PCOS in a safe and sustainable way. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you try any of these remedies, please let me know in the comments how they work for you. And if you have any more questions or beauty secrets to share, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and stay glowing.